Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SOLO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very impressive bounce on the day. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that the price was just down here at the opening part of the day and then managed to work its way all the way up there. So yeah, any rational person would say this was a very impressive move. But that does also bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $7.70. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying any of this will happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down here to $7.70, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But I mean, to be fair, no pricing just goes straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have a stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress, and in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined, again, as that green line there at 770. As far as areas of resistance, public enemy number one headed into Friday, going to be right up there at the $8.50 mark, so keep a very close eye on 850, but all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive movement today. Very nice bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this bounce moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.